Hi Leo, I'm Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will teach you how you can use a personalized runic amulet for your success. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is something related to a feminine energy, or of being protective and caring of others, or of being under protection. So strong energies of a mother, of a wife, also the goddess Freya, the goddess of the femininity, also related to clairvoyance. Now what does your soul actually want? Your soul wants to be more stable and less affected by the random events of life. Perhaps avoiding some possibilities just to reduce the chance of something unlucky happening to you. Something also related to a feminine energy in the context of a female womb, perhaps something related to the female health, to the female organs, as the idea of a randomness and luck is actually related to the female womb, because you don't know what will come out of it. It's like a bag of runes, and you pull out a rune, and then you see what happens. If we think about the child that is coming out of a woman as a some kind of a random event, as a unknown, as a thing that is unknown how it will develop in the future. So the ability to step into new directions, those are potentially scary for you. Now, how do you achieve success in these areas? The rune Thurisas is the rune of the strength, a rune of the thunder, rune of actually being protected from attacks from the enemies, also from attacks of not as attacks, but of the potential negative influences of things those are out of our control. Again, the idea of luck is present here. Now, what the rune will be for you? So your runic amulet might be the rune Naudis. It's the rune of the discipline, of the rune of being frugal, rune of being very cautious to what is happening in your life, and taking appropriate measures to stabilize the situation. Also, rune Thurisas might be related to some kind of a medical intervention. So if you're having a troublesome period in life, you definitely can use this rune Naudis. This rune is of help in a situation when you are requiring help. So you can use it directly by drawing it on the left side of your body, or visualizing it and asking it for help. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you the best of luck.